If you've been to Frontier City, you may have noticed the train car just sitting behind Quick Draw. Today, I am going to explain what that is, where it came from, and its history. Sitting in Frontier City behind Quick Draw and right across from Winged Warrior is a train car with the words Sweet Adeline on it. It's just sitting there with no information about it, and nobody is allowed inside. But I went to an event last month where they actually gave me a tour of the inside, so I'll show you what it looks like. And it's very interesting. So once you walk up the path into the train, your first room on the right is a bedroom. The bedroom is small and contains really nothing except one bed and a single chair, which is interesting. It also has a window on this. But when you walk out of the bedroom, you go into a bathroom, just a basic bathroom, sink, shower, and toilet, which then leads you into another bedroom, this one having more things inside of it, like a bed. It has a little old-fashioned phone, it's got a clock, it's got tissues, obviously, and it has a teapot. It also has some old pictures on the wall, and this teapot is a little grainy, sorry about that, I just had to turn up the brightness so you could see it. Anyway, when you leave there, you go into the main dining room area. It has a table which seats many people. This counter has many interesting things on it. It has some sort of cup, and it has a piece of paper explaining the history of the train, which I'll go over later. Above you have a light, and you have some plants, and you have some teacups and stuff. Plus you have a train, which is able to go around the top, which was not running when I was there. There's also a lot of old pictures on the wall, which are really interesting to look at, so I'll show you two of them right here. But now back to that counter and that paper. Now I'm just going to provide a brief summary of this, but if you would like to know more about it, pause the video right now and make sure to read it for yourself. So maybe you read all that, and that's basically all you have to learn, so you can click off the video right now. But for those of you who did not pause to read, I'm basically going to explain what it says on that paper. This train was built in 1902 by the Pullman Palace Car Company, but did not start working until 1904, where it was placed on the Frisco line in Springfield, Missouri. The car was originally named the Texas and was where all the wealthy business people who were traveling on the line slept. The train car was remodeled in 1947 for the personal use of the Frisco Company chairman and president. The train car continued to be used until 1957, still under the name Texas. And then in 1958, the owner of Frontier City at the time, Jack Williams, moved the train car to the park. Williams then stepped down from his position as owner of Frontier City in 1975, and he took the train car with him and put it on his land where he had lived. In 1988, the general manager of Frontier City, Gary Story, bought the train from Williams and moved it back to the park, renamed it the Sweet Adeline, and it has been sitting here since. So now you know what this train car is and why it is just sitting in the park behind Quick Draw. I hope you learned something today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It would help me very much. So thank you all for watching, and I will be back in the next video.